Hi everyone, and welcome to How to Be a Birb. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY perch for birdie boys or girls, depending which one you have. So this perch is going to be very easy to just take with you and wedge anywhere for them to use, and it's good for their feet and their nails. So the things you will need are a birb, to test it out, a stick that the birb can stand on without it breaking, like this one, and some oven-baked clay. Make sure to read the directions thoroughly on your clay to make sure you do not make any mistakes. Okay, so the first step is to take the ball of clay and roll it out into a long, sausagey log thingamabobber. Okay, now that my rope is rolled out, we're going to take our stick and smoosh it onto the tip. Now we're just going to very carefully and gently roll this in a loose, but not too loose, spiral down the length of the stick. Once you get to the end, if there's extra, that's okay. Just do the same thing, press it down, and take off the extra. Now that this is ready, preheat your oven to however many degrees it says on the package for your clay. Once your oven is preheated, put it in and set the timer for as long as it says. Next, once your oven is preheated, put your perch inside it and set a timer for as long as it says on the package. For mine, it says 15 minutes. So as you can see, now that it's out of the oven, this is the finished product of the DIY bird perch. So as you can see, while the color is not a whole lot different, it's much firmer when you squeeze it. You can't squeeze it really. And the birb, likes it a lot. So yeah, that's a plus, and I'll show you him trying it out. So here is Bujo on his nice DIY homemade perch. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see us do next, and that's it for today's video. Bye! Okay, Bujo, you can say it too. Boy, 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 boy.